Best Car Cleaning Kits. Relentless Drive Car Wash Kit. With 20 different pieces including a collapsible bucket and car dust cleaning gel, this exhaustive set has just about every cleaning product and tool you'll need to get both the interior and exterior of your car sparkling. It includes a 16-ounce bottle each of car wash soap, wax spray, wheel spray, detail spray, interior cleaning spray and glass cleaner, as well as a car wash mitt, tire brush, rim and wheel brush, collapsible bucket, window squeegee, air conditioning vent brush and much more. We'd be surprised if you could think of any additional tool or spray you'll need while washing, dusting, detailing, and protecting the interior surfaces. Pros: 1. Large selection and variety of cleaners and tools. 2. Comes in a carrying case. Cons: not as sturdy or heavy-duty as some other options. Meguiar Classic Wash and Wax Kit. This classic wash and wax kit has all the basics you'll need to detail everything from the interior console to the wheels. The 8-piece set includes wax, detailer mist, wheel and tire cleaner, interior detailer cleaner and car wash shampoo and conditioner. It also comes with a sponge, microfiber towel and foam applicator pad to make it easy to apply each cleaner. Gold Class Car Wash gently cleans and optical brighteners, while one-step cleaner wax is specially formulated to produce the best results on all glossy paints and clear coats. Pros: 1. Quality cleaners. 2. Low price. Cons: 1. Doesn't include every tool you may need. Premier Car Care Kit. 5 sprays, an air freshener, liquid wash and wax, and a wash pad make up this 8-piece premium kit by Armor All. Use the wash and wax liquid, wheel and tire cleaner and tire shine to clean up the dirt that accumulates from hours of driving before switching to the protectant and multi-purpose cleaner to keep your interior looking spiffy. It also comes with a glass cleaner for your windows. The microfiber wash pad helps clean without scratching or damaging surfaces, and the on-the-go air freshener is the cherry on top of that professional-looking clean. Pros: 1. Includes glass cleaner. 2. Comes with air freshener. Cons: 1. Only comes with one microfiber pad.